Hello, Lily. Look, I have checked everything, and there is no reason why you shouldn't see all your classrooms. I mean, you should be once you are in this link, you should be able to see in Aulas fourth A. There are two classes of fourth A. This one, fourth A English A1, and fourth English A2, which is this one with the sports. Okay, so in Aulas you should see those two things, and in Taller there is one Taller that you should see two. One is this one. You see that you are invited here, that this is the one you share with Trini. If you get there, you will see Trini's planning. And remember, we created one especially for you, that it's this one. And as you can see, you are there, Fabiana and I. All right? And let me show you how to insert your PowerPoint here. All right? This is the planning you have sent. And this is how you go about it, because here you inserted it. This is fine, but I noticed that you inserted last week as tarea, and that is not the correct way to do it. I will do it properly for you. So in order to do anything in Taller, you need to remember to activate this pencil here. That is activar edición, and as you can see, it should be yellow. Once it is yellow, it means that you can edit. All right, so I'm going to go to, once I have this activated, I'm going to create a new section. All right, so I go to secciones and I have week August the 2nd to the 6th. I'm going to create a new section for, and here if I click the pencil, I can change the name, week August 9th to 13th. Then I will upload the PowerPoint there. And now I'm going to create a third section for this week. And I'm going to put week August the 17th, week August 17th to 20th. All right, you enter and it should be there. Obviously, as you can see, automatically Alexia gives you this kind of colorful cover. If you want to change it, you just click on the picture icon here, and you need to have the picture you want to upload in your computer. Well, and you choose a file, and you just upload it. You put subir archivo, and then guardar cambios, and you will see it. I'm not going to do it now but I don't want to change it, but just for you to know. The other symbol you have here is an eye. When you click on the eye, you see what happens. That means that the section becomes invisible for the kids. This is in Taller. Remember that children don't see what you're doing. So it doesn't matter whether this is crossed out or not. Either way, children cannot see what you have in Taller. If you go to Aulas, you will see that each section has exactly the same things here. So that works for Aulas. Everything that is published in Aulas, children can see it, okay? Unless you decide to hide it by clicking on the eye. So once I get here, yes, I'm going to go to this section that I have created, and I need to upload your presentation. Here, whenever I want to upload something here, I have two options. Either here, añadir una actividad o un recurso, but you will see that the menu that opens is like super big with too many options. So I usually choose this one that says Módulo Rápido, and I have fewer options. These are the ones we usually use. So I'm going to select Etiqueta, and I'm going to upload something just to refresh your your mind. I mean, for you to remember, we can give it a title. Obviously, in your case, you can put just your presentation and that will be fine. But just for you to remember, if I want to put a title, for example, I go to that button there. I don't know if you saw it, this button here, the last one on the second row. You click there and you can choose. I'm going to choose here where it says Organizar Encabezado Principal. I'm gonna change the color and I put insert. And once it is inserted, I can modify it. So I'm going to put weekly activities. I don't know, I'm just inventing. Weekly activities. All right. And here you can write, this is what we will be working on. And in an etiqueta, you can add links, you can add videos, you can add photos by clicking on these items in these buttons here. All right, I'm going to make it this a little bit bigger. I'm gonna change the color to here, and and now that I'm ready to insert your PowerPoint presentation. So what I'm going to do is this. This is your PowerPoint presentation. In order to publish it in Alexia, I have to go to File, Publish to the Web. Not a link, but I'm going to embed it, okay? So I'm going to choose Embed. I'm going to the slide will move every 10 seconds, and I'm going to click here and put publish. It's gonna ask me if I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. And then I have this long link to copy with Control C. I copy it, I go back to Alexia, and here I choose this symbol of link that is here. All right, you click there and you just Control V, you just paste the link there, and you see it now. I can see it, and once it is ready, guardar cambios, and you will be able to see it here. Okay, that is the okay. What I can see, this is a bit you see it's cut there, you cannot see everything either. Okay, let me see if I can, and we can modify that, but that's the way you upload it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.